Hey everybody, it's the dude here. I have gotten stuck in the rain. I was out at a buddy's house and yeah, we were hanging out and it started fucking coming down and I was like, oh hell no. So I'm gonna have them pick me back up. But I gotta get this thing out of the rain. This new Shorty exhaust point's almost straight up in the air and I'm afraid of it getting filled. Alright, well that was mildly fun, and you guys got to see me caught in the rain. And I guess a little PSA, always have a towel and wipe your bike off. Never leave your bike wet. Never leave your bike wet. Alright everybody, I'm gonna... Sorry for the heavy breathing, it was a fast ride. I'm gonna towel this thing off and yeah, make sure she's clean and dry. See you guys later.